call me an American horror.
And throw a party.
What I gotta do to find a sober down to choke me? Tie me up and hold me down and get a little dirty. Haven't tasted bougie spit since hold me hit on Thursday. I'll be there in 30 cause the bitch is getting thirsty.
Every time the coach blew the whistle.
Got you in the chokehold till you're turning down to blow a bag in my back out. Locking on the man cause he know just what to. I'm a plan B regular bitch. I'm a stone cold monster. I could be a real monster. I'm a stone cold monster. I could be a little.
I want you to do what you do best, Lydia.
Fuck on me and eat me like a cannibal. I'm Miss Fish, that Rocky Horror Picture. They call me an American horror show. They call me an American horror show.
Baby, I like when you piss me off. Hey baby, usually means the sex is rough. Hey baby, take a picture when we fuck. Hey baby, I think we should blow it up.
It's a freak